Hello everyone, I am Savita. Now we are going to present the BMC model of Apple. Key resources. People comprise the key resources in Apple. It is a huge development in the software designers and the hardware components. The key resources are Apple ecosystem, technological resources and retail stores.
I am Saharajji. Now I am going to present about key partners who can be partnered with the liberators to deliver the key activities with who we are served. First, manufacturing, assembly, delivery, advertisement and website designing and enable to communicate with the direct communication of users.
I am Kritika. I am going to tell about the key activities of an Apple. A company offers the software applications, services, accessories and third-party device content. And four components of an key activities are resource, search, technology, development, innovations, etc.
Myself Rakshita and I am here to tell about value proposition in Apple company. Value proposition is the reason why customer turns to one company over another. It solves customer problem and satisfy the customer needs. Value proposition in Apple companies are it provide customer with unique blend style, functionality, user requirement and satisfaction and also integration with various devices and data storage.
I am Kritika. The next segment is about customer relationships. Customer relations refers to the methods and strategies a company uses in order to maintain healthy customer relationships. The best strategies used by Apple in maintaining healthy customer relationships are brand loyalty and unique products.
I am Shishma. Next comes cost structure. Cost structure refers to the types of expenses in a business. In that we have two types, fixed and variable or direct or indirect. In case of fixed, the expenses doesn't fluctuate over time, whereas in case of variable, it depends upon the output. So coming to Apple BMC, cost structure has three components. They are staff, marketing and product development.
The last segment in the BMC model of Apple is revenue streams. Revenue is the total amount of income generated by the sales of goods and services related to the company's primary operations. The main revenue streams of Apple are sales of products and online services. Thank you.